What I found on Aliexpress today, but it's not cheap, it's around 30 US dollars. And why it's so expensive? Let's find out. And what is it? It's a digital alarm clock with RGB pickup light, Bluetooth speaker, temperature display, multifunctional LED ambient light for bedroom, for desk, for whatever you want. Oh, so it's a clock with temperature, with RGB lights, maybe they are rotating and changing colors, and also there is a Bluetooth speaker. Wow, is it rechargeable maybe? I think. I found it interesting, and that's why I ordered it, and of course I got it. No bubbles. Why? The package needs to be wrapped in bubbles. Thanks God that everything is good with the package. Digital alarm clock, and the model is YLHN1. What it says? It works on 5 volts, FM. No way, man. Besides the Bluetooth speakers, it have a radio. Battery capacity 500 milliampere. Oh, I need to open it. Okay, the Type-C charging cable. And what is this? Okay, never mind. We have the holder for the clock. The instruction manual. Nope, I need to read it because this is something new for me. Nothing else in the box. Oh, some dust, never mind, from the factory. Looking nice. It looks like that reactor that is in Iron Man. Tony Stark that it wears on the chest. It looks like that. And take a look what it says in user manual, that it have a temperature display area, clock display area, radio status light, radio frequency, Bluetooth light, rhythm light, alarm clock 1 light, alarm 2 light. Wow, a lot of functions. And it's rechargeable. It says that it have 500 milliamperes lithium battery inside. Whoa. Charging time 3 hours, charging port Type-C, output power 2 watts, Bluetooth version 6.0. Whoa. From behind we have 6 buttons. We have settings, play, pause, increasing, decreasing buttons for the volume power button and mode button. We have the speaker right here. Where is the... Oh, here it is, the Type-C charging port. And this thing, you can hook it up just like this and use it in your car maybe to place it on aero vents. Oh, that is nice feature. Okay. Also we have the temperature sensor. That is this wire. And let's power it on in 3, 2, 1. Holding. Whoa. Wow. But why the... Take a look. It responds on my voice. Awesome. Wow. It really looks beautiful. You can change color. Probably. Whoa. Okay, I figure out. When you press the settings button for more than 1 second, the first decimal will flash, that is the hours, and you can change the hours. And yes, it's a 24-hour format. With second press of the settings you can adjust the minutes, and when you are done you just need to press power button and it's selected. Also with pressing the settings button you can adjust the brightness, you can set the first alarm clock and the second alarm clock, which is pretty nice. And also you can change colors with holding one of the buttons, I think, or mode. Whoa! And with pressing the M button or mode, now we are at FM mode. I need to change very fast so I will not receive a copyright strike, but it's working fine. And with another press of the mode, we are going to Bluetooth now. Let me connect with my smartphone. YLHN1 pairing. Okay. Whoa, did you hear that sound? Allow access to messages. Now, need permission to access your messages. Hello. And take a look. It's working fine. The sound is not beautiful, but it's working. You can play some music from your smartphone on this multi-purpose clock. And take a look. It looks awesome with those RGB LEDs picking up the sound. Wow. Let's check with how much current is charging the battery. And why? Oh, it's not going all the way because of the plastic. Oh, let me grab this one. I have like an adapter for this, alright, and this. Okay. 5 volts, 250 milliamperes. That is the right current if the battery inside is 500 milliamperes. Alright. Now I will show you all the RGB effects. With pressing the settings button once, you will enter the mode for turning on or turning off, and you can choose that with plus and minus buttons. Right now the display is the RGB circle is off. You can turn it on. With the second press of the settings, we have the S mode, and here we have 9 different patterns, and we're gonna go through all of those. Take a look, this one. It looks amazing. Take a look. And I need to speak so you can see all the patterns. Now it's opposite from top to the bottom. This one, 7. Wow. Amazing colors. Number 8. And here it is, the whoa, this is auto rotating. Maybe the best one. Awesome. Alright, and with the next press of the settings button, you can choose between the patterns. It have 18 of them. 17. This is 6. Why is staying on red? Oh, it's not responding because it's changing itself the colors. Whoa, C14. Beautiful. Awesome. Can you see how good is this gadget? It's a multi-purpose. Let's go to 11. Wow. You can program this thing to ESP32 with so much good patterns. Wow. And the clock is pretty visible for in dark, because probably this will be used like a nightstand. Oh, beautiful. And just to mention, you cannot change the color of the clock. It is blue, and it will stay like that. And take a look at the holder. You're gonna place it just like this. Oh, isn't that nice? Beautiful. should this thing be on my desk beside this bar graph that I have right here, to be placed maybe on the side? What do you think? Beautiful. The link will be in description below, so you can check this very shiny with a lot of colors clock with Bluetooth speaker, with FM radio, whatever you want. And it's not cheap, but I think that it's worth it. Okay, that was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!